Hi, my name is Amy Rowe. I am the Head of Department here in Art at NCBIS. My background is art and design technology, so I've had experience with various different equipment and tools and media within my specialisms. I have used a laser cutter before and 3D printers and various other industrial kind of level machinery. It was fantastic to see that we can have these machines here within Egypt with the CNC machines, and a fantastic opportunity. At least we don't have to wait many months for machines to arrive within the country. So Simplex CNC was a fantastic find for us, and the training that's been provided has been very good, very simplistic, very easy to follow, and something that we can keep and use and continue to use in the future. In terms of the opportunities in terms of training and developing our professionalism is great also. I have been in situations where I've gone for interviews, and the fact that I know how to use this machinery has been very advantageous for me. It allows me to move into more senior positions as well, which also therefore increases my salary, which is always fantastic. So my advice for the future would be for people to really consider these machineries within their schools, because it provides fantastic opportunities for the students, but also for the staff as well.